Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Dharani the Practical AI Dev. In our previous video, we have learned how to build a simple weather AI agent from scratch using Python. In today's video, we are going to build a multi AI agent from scratch. So AI agents are not just a chat GPT. AI agent can think, decide which tool to use and execute that tool and generate the final answer. So in end of this video, you will understand what is tool calling and what function calling and what structured output means, how an AI agent decides which tool to execute and how to build your own multi-tool AI agent in Python. So let's get started. So this is the sample. This is the multi-agent, the application Python, simple Python application I have created. So I can explain you the flow. So before that, I'll just show you how the output is, so that you can easily map that. So let's first open the virtual environment and activate the virtual environment. So I have already installed all the packages of everything. So when you do first time, you have to do pip install hyphen requirements.txt. You have to do this. Okay. So let me quickly start this one .py. So if I ask something. Um, So here the agent which we have developed is it will perform multiple tasks. So here you can see I just entered 2 into 3. So this is a arithmetic one. So it will call the calculator tool. The expression is 2 into 3 and the result is 6. And if I ask today's code, it is calling the code tool and believe you can and you are halfway there. So that's something. So this is a code tool it is giving. So same way I'll ask what is the um, what is the AA agent. It should not call the code, maybe. Okay, because we have added agent, right? So that is the issue. Let's first exit and we'll debug it. Okay, so this is the main.py file. Let's see what is there here. So here I just started a conversation with the loop because we are planning to create a multiple conversation, like user can ask multiple questions in a single chat. So we started a conversation, and this is the user input. You ask me anything, user can ask any question, and this is the prompt. Prompt is important one. I'll come back here. So this is the response chat. These are the same. We are calling the model alarm and the message, system role and the user's role, and answer we are getting from that agents, and then not from the agent, actually it is from the LLM, and then we are printing the response. So now let's go to the prompt. So the prompt is nothing. You're a AI assistant. Available tools. These are the available tools. Weather calculator time. Always return the JSON format. This is the output format which we are expecting. So weather. If it is a weather, then you have to use the weather and that cities, whatever user is entering, and the calculator and the expression, and then tool is this one, code is this one, and if there is a normal question, you have to send just tell none and then the response. So this is the actual prompt which we have give. Here we didn't give any details like you have to call this particular agent, this particular tool for this particular task. I can show you the tools which I have created. So this is a code tool. Code tool is get the tool. We are making the request for this particular API. So this will give you random codes every day. So this is the response, and we are just returning it. Same way for weather tool as well. This is same thing. We are first getting the latitude, longitude, and we are calling the this API, weather API, and then get the results. So same way the calculator tool also, add, subtract, multiply, and then divide everything. And so these tools are there, but here in this main.py file we have not defined anything for calculator or some any other tool. The tool name, it is added in the prompt itself. So now you might understand that LLM itself is decide which tool to use. So here you can see this one. Yeah, we have asked 2 into 3. So LLM itself decide which tool to use. So it used the calculator tool, and the expression is this one, and the result is this. So so now I understood how the traditional application is working, how the AI agent is working. If user ask any question, what the traditional Python or any other application works, developer will choose the function, and then the result is result, and everything is hard coded. For example, if a user calls the calculator one, we will call this calculator method, and then it will do the all that, it will return everything. So but here LLM itself is I mean, if user ask and the LLM is reasoning, and then it will choose the tool, execute the tool, observe the result, and then it generates the final answer. So this is the biggest difference in the LLM design. What should happen next? So now let's again execute it. I'll ask 32 where it went. Okay, 32 into, let me close this. So I'm just adding 34 into 10. So you can see the response. Final answer tool is a calculator expression, and the result is 340. So next I'll ask, tell me a joke. Let's see what the LLM designs and what it is giving. So it's going to tool, and why don't scientists trust atom? Because they make up everything. So you can see here what we have done. Code, it will go to the code one, and if there is a time, and if something is related to this, so it will go to this one. They make up everything. Okay, so next what we can, what time is it? What time is it? Yeah, so it select the time tool, and the current time is this one. Next, okay, not okay. So here what we have done is, you can see at the end, if exit the loop of the user, exit. So so what it will do, if you enter exit or quit, it will come out from that particular chat. So we can try to do this. Okay, so it's exiting the assistant. That is the final answer. Tool is null. The none. Okay. So I think in this project we have learned several important AI concept. The first one is tool calling, allowing the LLM to choose an external function, and then function calling, execute a Python function based on the LLM's decision. Then structured output, it returning the JSON instead of free text format, so Python can process it easily. And then external API, so tool can call the API such as weather services, calendars, time, codes, email system, database. And then AI agent workflow is first it's reasoning, and then choosing the tool, execute the tool, observe, and then giving the final answer. So these are the core building blocks of the modern AI agent. So in the next video we will try to improve the same project, or we will try to create a new multi-agent AI agent project. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.